AJVS.com, your worldwide leader of high vacuum equipment. Before starting your reservoir replacement, please take the following precautions. Turn off your TMH 071 turbo pump and allow it to cool by venting it to the atmospheric pressure. If your turbo pump is still integrated into your system, detach and remove the pump. Close the flange openings by using the original protective covers and turn the turbo pump upside down onto the closed high vacuum flange. To begin, unscrew the rubber feet from the bottom of the pump. Unscrew the locking cover on the underside of the turbo pump with the special spanner wrench tool. Lift out the operating fluid reservoir using 2 screwdrivers or similar tools. Before proceeding, clean off any dirt on the turbo pump and locking cover with a clean lint-free cloth. Insert the new operating fluid reservoir into the turbo pump by pushing it up to the O-ring. Remove the old O-ring and replace with the new O-ring from the reservoir kit. Screw in the locking cover and tighten with the spanner wrench tool. The operating fluid reservoir is automatically brought into the correct axial position. Finally, screw the rubber feet back into the bottom of the Pfeiffer TMH 071 turbo pump. The reservoir replacement procedure is complete. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit our online store at ajvs.com or give us a call at 1-973-249-0854. You can also email any inquiries to info@ajvs.com. Thanks for watching.